customizing keyboard shortcuts in Visual Studio Code can be pretty handy. I wanted to be able to easily navigate between the editor group window and the terminal panel. There really are no built-in keyboard shortcuts for that, so you can just make your own. And the way you do that is to bring up the command palette, go to Preferences, Open Keyboard Shortcuts. You don't want to do the default keyboard shortcuts. That's the system ones. You want to make your own ones that are specifically for you. So I'm just going to paste in the two keyboard commands that I want to add. I'm going to use Control F12, and I need two commands because I need one for when I'm inside the terminal window. I want it to pop over to the active editor group, and then I want the same keyboard command, I want it to take me back to the terminal window. Then once I save that, I go back to my previous window. If I navigate around, now I hit Control F12, boom, I'm over in the terminal window. I can type commands, Control F12, and it takes me back.